Well, happy July. Today is July 1st, and in this week's recap, a strong month for equities ends with a renewed possibility of a U.S. China trade pact.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
A month of gains for stocks ended with a weekly retreat. The S&P 500 lost 0.3%, the NASDAQ Composite lost 0.32%, and the Dow Jones Industrials Average declined 0.45%. In contrast, overseas shares tracked by the MSCI EAFE index advanced 0.14%. Last month was the best June for the blue chips since 1938 and the best month for the S&P 500 since 1955. The Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 6.9% in June and the S&P 500 up 6.2%. All week, investors had one eye on Saturday's Group of 20 summit in Japan, where President Trump and Chinese President Xi were slated to meet. This weekend, President Trump announced that he and President Xi had agreed to a resumption of trade talks between the U.S. and China. As a part of that agreement, the U.S. is holding off on placing tariffs on an additional $300 billion worth of Chinese goods. While trade tensions certainly remain between both countries, the news that formal discussions could resume may renew investor optimism about progress toward a trade pact. In the meantime, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell attracted attention with new remarks on monetary policy. Powell stated last week that the Fed officials were mindful that monetary policy should not overreact to any individual data point or short-term swing in sentiment. While many traders think the central bank will lower the benchmark interest rate at its July meeting, Powell noted that there was not yet consensus for a cut among Fed policymakers. All right, this will be a shortened holiday trading week. The New York Stock Exchange will close early on Wednesday, and all U.S. financial markets will close Thursday for the July 4th holiday. Markets reopen on Friday. From all of us at Capital Consulting Group, we hope you have a wonderful July 4th celebration.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd like to learn how I give my clients life savings the attention it deserves, visit me online at www.erichagan.pro. If you'd like to get financially organized, go check out www.nocostfinancialdashboard.com. And lastly, if you'd like to take control of your 401k at work, visit us online at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.